Hi guys, I recently got the Dyson air straightener. I was dreaming about it for quite some time and I finally purchased it. And I wanna to blow dry my hair right now. It's already done, but I wanna do it with you in this video and I wanna show you how it works, how it looks like, and my tiny review about using this tool. I'm currently in the hotel bathroom. Kind of like Victorian style vintage hotel in Washington DC. We currently travel in. Forgive me the lighting, it's not like perfect. We move in for a couple of months from New York to Miami and we decided to do a small road trip. This is a cute bathroom, so I decided why not to record a short review for the Dyson. Okay, first of all, let me show you the box it came in. I went to Soho in New York and there is a Dyson store. I actually got super lucky because they gave me $100 discount. So apparently they had a promotion that available only in store, physical store Dyson, which probably like there's 7 total stores in the country, 3 of them in California, 1 in New York and 1 in Texas, somewhere else too. Anyway, so I went to just test it out in the store and they told me about this promotion, and so I decided to just get the Dyson right away. And they gave me the box. Let me show you very quick. It's not as fancy as a Dyson Airwrap box. I also have an unboxing for that on my channel. It came with this little thing. First I was a little bit confused, what is this? But I think it's like a tissue or something you can probably put on the counter, or if you do your hair in your bathroom, you probably sink. Very slippery, so you put this on top of your sink so your Dyson won't fall or scratch or anything like that. They also gave me this free hair clips as a gift. I think it's like $35 each. They gave me like 4 of them, so cute. Not like I need them much because I have my own, but it's just nice gesture. It's nice to have. The Dyson itself, yeah, some instructions. It's not like it have a lot of attachment like Airwrap or hair dryer. No, that's just one piece thing. Look like that. Looks like that. You can blow dry it like this instead of using actual blow dryer before you start straightening the hair. And also have this thing that kind of like holds them together. So push it down and it's ready to use. We have like all the buttons up here and a tiny screen. So first we turn it on. And it says cleaning. So after the clean you can see different modes. Right now it says wet and it says what's the temperature right now. You can change the mode. It's actually paused it wherever you like not using it. I guess different angles makes it pause, but once you change the angle it's gonna start blowing again. You can change the mode. You can press this for cold. You can change the temperature to make it hotter, and you also can change the mode to dry if your hair a little drier, and back to wet. So let's press it. This is cold. This is back to warm. This is the volume, low or high. This is different temperature. You can make it hotter, boost it. I usually prefer to keep it as low as possible to not damage my hair too much. Yeah, right now I press it to wet. I really like this fact when it blows just a little bit, and once you like press them together it starts blowing really hard, and I feel like it's pushing the water out of your hair. Not necessarily straighten it as the regular straightening iron, because there is no any metal pieces inside. It's all air. So when I talked to the sales representatives, they explained me that difference. That's why it's considering healthier an option, because the water just goes outside. Maybe if you use the Dyson hand dryer, like air dryer, bathroom somewhere. You probably saw them. It dries your hands completely in a second or two. Thinking this is kind of similar thing. So your hair get a little hot after you just use it. But again, I usually start with hot. After like my hair gets a little more dry, I'm just like changing the mode to cold, and I'm just doing the rest with a cold. And it still did the job pretty well. Looks so silky and smooth, like immediately. You can like see the shine. So I finished, my hair almost dry. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna switch it to cold air, and to get rid of these flyaways, I'm just gonna do it again, mostly on top of my head, to just make them a little smoother so you don't see this baby hair. Change it to cold. Now it's cold. You can also actually, as I said before, blow dry it just by holding together. And blow dry for the sake of flyaways. It's mostly just cold air, so I don't see or feel any damage. And that was the quickest blow dry of my life. I feel like I spend much less time when I use this straightener versus regular hair dryer, because I take some time. For some reason, regular hair dryer, first of all, takes much longer to just blow dry my hair, like make it my hair dry, not even like any style, just like dry them as it is. I also continue with blow dryer either with a brush, or I'm doing some hairstyle with my air rub, trying to curl them, or I curl it with a curling iron. It takes so much longer, and as I mentioned before, I feel like this air is just so strong, much stronger than the regular blow dryer, because blow dryer, it just like spreads the air, versus the air dryer, the straightener, air coming from both sides of it, right? So it's like kind of like the less hair you bring, the faster it's gonna be. Plus, I didn't section my hair, so I feel like if I would do a better job, like I section it, part them, and then straighten them just one by one, I feel like it's gonna be so much faster and so much nicer, but I'm just a little bit lazy to do that. Plus, I don't need it to be perfectly straight. It's straight as it is, and I think it's pretty nice. It did pretty good job. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you think, and if you already bought, if you like it or not, or you considered buying it.